Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you all the fuses responsible for exterior lights. Now by exterior lights I'm referring to turn signal lights, brake lights, parking lights and so on. This video should apply to these minivans made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so all of the fuses will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. To access the fuses, you first have to remove the cover. You will have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side you will have a small fuse diagram, and this white piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse, it's fuse number F18, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here. The second fuse will be fuse number F37, which is this big yellow 40 amp fuse. So these are the two fuses for the exterior lights. In case both of these fuses are good and you're still having issues with a specific light, first of course you want to check the light bulb, then you want to check the electrical connection, the socket and the wiring towards that light. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.